Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Dasher Direct from your DoorDash account into your Cash App account. Now this is a fast way to receive your money, a lot faster than you ordinarily would. Ordinarily, DoorDash money takes about 1 to 2 weeks to appear in your bank account. Obviously you have the option of getting a DoorDash Visa card, but this can also take up to about 4 weeks or more to arrive in the mail, especially with delayed shipping times due to COVID. So this is a lot faster of a method to receive your funds in a reasonable amount of time. This will take 1 to 2 days to receive your DoorDash money. So starting out, you're going to pull up your Dasher Direct account, and you're going to go to More on the bottom right side of the screen. Then we're going to go to Move Money and Send Money to Someone. We're going to click on Recipient and click on Add Recipient. Here you can fill out your first name, your last name, your mobile number, and then transfer info. Now, if you have a Cash App account, that is pretty much a bank account. And so they will give you your bank name, your account type, account number, confirm your account number, obviously, and you will enter in your routing number. So Cash App will give you all of this information very easily that you need, and so all you have to do is fill this out, click Save, and then you can transfer your money. As it said, if we go back to the previous screen, your recipient should get their funds within 1 to 2 business days. So if you do it over the weekend, you may have to wait until Monday or Tuesday, but any day of the week, you should be receiving your money within a day, possibly 2 days. So obviously this is a lot faster than waiting on DoorDash or waiting on your Visa card to arrive. So I hope this is helpful. I will provide a link in the description that you can click on, and you can easily access the Cash App if you would like to check it out and try it for yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you next time with more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.